Uh, hey there. Sweetie Pie, I gotta tell you, something happened to your old man today, and he's not feeling too good. And I gotta tell you a story that he's told me when he got back from the grocery store. Bear with me. Okay, smoke and grab a pitchfork and run to the garden. I'm just gonna maybe tell you what he told me when he got home. Huh. Yeah, he said that hokey smoking stuff. Anyway, he says, I just got back from Independent Tuesday Deal Day. Huh. I got the $10 deal on the chicken and potatoes. Then I asked for a container of broccoli cashew crunch. The container is not even as long as my left paw. Phew, phew. I mean, like, phew. $13.09. Ha! Ha! As I was walking away, I saw the price. I returned and asked the girl politely. I said, "Oh, this must be wrong." And I showed her the price. She said, "No, that's the correct price." I said, cough, choke, gasp. For this? Are you sure? Whoa! I was dazed and confused, spinning around a bit on my own axis. It was just awful. I was staggering all over the place. People must have thought I was pickled. Huh! Pickles? They probably cost $20. Phew! It's a good thing I didn't eat pickles too. Never even thought of that. Then I thought, they probably put the price on everything else up because they're giving the chicken away so cheap. Yeah, that's gotta be it. I'm still a bit dizzy. I went to the counter and paid for it. They took my money. Yep, they did, so I felt like I was garden hosed. I mean, it was like the Broccoli Horror Picture Show. Yeah, I needed help. I felt like looking for the salad bar. Yeah, couldn't find one. Now, I'm worried about being a vegetable for the rest of my life. Well, concerned. Oh, solo mio. Oh, solo mio. You would cry too if it happened to you. Ba 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 ba. It's my party and I'll cry if I want to. Cry if I want to. Cry if I want to.